Assalamu alaikum and welcome. In this lesson, we'll be talking about suffixes. So what are suffixes? Suffixes are a group of letters that we place at the end of a base word to give it a new meaning. So these are some suffixes here. Also, let me point out that the meanings I will give you in a minute are not the only ones for these suffixes, but these are some of the common ones that I found that I want to share with you. We have li, us, al, and full. So li means the way the action is done. Us, full of. The doer of the action. Al, relating to. And full of. So we will put these suffixes at the end of these words here to give them these meanings. So we have happy and sad. So these are two adjectives. We will add ly at the end. So happy, it becomes happily. Happily. So now it describes the way the action is done. The children were playing happily. Sadly. So they both became now adverbs. Adverbs. Danger and joy. These are two nouns. So we will add ous at the end of these two nouns. Dangerous, joyous. So dangerous is something which is harmful, and joyous is something which is happy. It's a happier occasion. So they both became adjectives, right? We have two verbs, drive and play. We will add er at the end. Er, driver and player. So now they became nouns and they describe the doer of the action. The driver or the player playing football. Here, nature and option are two nouns. So nature is something related, something which is all around us, like the trees, the mountains. This is a part of nature. So we will add al to give them new meaning. Natural and optional. So natural is something which is related to nature, and optional is something which is an option you can choose. So that is an optional subject which you could choose. So they both became adjectives, right? Beauty and help are two nouns. So beauty is something which looks nice, and help is something useful. So they are nouns. So we will add ful to give them the new meaning. So beauty, we'll take away the y and add I, ful. So now they became adjectives. So beautiful is something which is very beautiful, looks very nice, and helpful is something very useful. So they both became adjectives. Okay. So I've just given you some suffixes here that have these meanings. As I told you that these meanings are not fixed. Maybe you will find an er ending, which is not a noun, like a comparative adjective, for example. So these are some common examples that we use in English. So thank you very much for listening. Until we meet again in another grammar video, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.